Good morning everybody and welcome to the channel. Today my wife and I drove from the Airbnb to this location. It took us roughly like an hour and 40 minutes, but the views are well worth it. We drove SUV. Just to remind you, the roads can be pretty tricky. It's pretty steep, like it's like straight up almost. And the car kept on spinning and it kept on getting my wife nervous. We paid the landowner 15 reais each per person to get in here. Well, it's like a campground, so you can stay here overnight. It's very windy today, but I'm just gonna show you the view here. And I'm gonna go ahead and link all the information down in the description below. And it's gonna have the location, the name of the place. I always jack up the names because it's in Portuguese, so I didn't want to make myself sound crazy. We're in the car now, so it's a little bit easier to talk. It's pretty windy outside, but the landowner, they live at that facility right there. In a little house, they have like a little farm, chickens and little boat, little pond. I'm guessing they have fish there. But I failed to mention this, which is funny, is the daughter, I'm gonna assume the daughter, started talking to my wife in Portuguese, and she mentioned that she has never met an American before. So I thought that was pretty cool that we were the first Americans for her to meet. So that was pretty interesting.